Good day, good people. Welcome to Good for Good. Today's AOT of the day is more McDonald's Happy Meal toys featuring Crocs shoes. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shoes spanning across 4 weeks. My bad, I should be showing 4 fingers. And today we have week 5 toys. So for every week we have 2 shoe designs. This week we have white and red shoes. Here we have the toolbox designs showing the Crocs and McDonald's collaboration logo. And they are called Golden Arches Crocs Toy White, Golden Arches and Happy Meal Smile Crocs Toy Red. Let me take a shot. Let's start toy unboxing. Let's open the white one first. Can't seem to open. Is it because I haven't eaten lunch? 2 hours later. Time to cut! Wow, I took 13 seconds to open this. In every box we get a sticker set. These stickers can be used to paste on the shoes to act as real life charms. But if you want to paste on your real life Crocs, if you own a Crocs, I'm not gonna stop you. We are expecting the M logo or the smile. We have a red bottom with blue hook, a white base with the classic M logo. And it comes with yellow strap, which is movable. So Crocs is reviving their brand now. And this is a very interesting way. Next up, we're gonna open Golden Arches and Happy Meal Smile Crocs Toy Red. Let's check out the stickers. And they look exactly the same as the other one. Do you spot any difference? Yup, same answer as me. So we have a red shoe with the golden smile. Oh, the M logo is on the top. Yellow base and white hook. Let me show you this week's toys side by side. You can also catch the other week's designs on my channel. I've also included the digital experience game. Now we'll take a look at the full set. I realized there's an odd one out. Do you see what I see? Can you spot which one is the odd one out? I'll hint it in a song. I'm blue and I'm feeling alright. Feel free to comment your answers. Now it's time for the digital experience game. Crocs, let's play. Warning for photosensitive viewers. Let's grant access to the camera. Yes, you may. And we are brought to the introduction. Complete your pair, let's play. Select your Crocs. Let's search for this week's design. We are given 4 base colors to choose from. We have blue, green, red and yellow. I will go with red. Then we choose the strap color. And then I realized all the mini Crocs have yellow straps. So let's choose yellow. Now we choose the graphic designs. Let's go with this. And then we choose the charms. Let me know which one you would pick. I'll go with the McDonald's logo. Then we complete our pair. Perfect pair, let's create another with the other design. So I hit the top left button And we are back at the introduction. It's too nice to skip, so watch it together with me. Complete your pair, let's play. Now we choose the second design, which happens to be the first one. I'm gonna choose a red base, yellow strap, the same Happy Meal box, and for the charms I'll choose the one with the smile. Complete your pair. And there we have another perfect pair. So these are all the designs that you can choose from, which makes up 5 weeks of Crocs toys, brought to you by McDonald's Happy Meal. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I hope you can like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye! To watch more, click one of the videos. Thank you!